Get ready to have some serious fun with the most adrenaline-inducing lineup of off-road vehicles ever unleashed, the 2015 Toyota Tacoma Pro. It has muscular curves and a rugged look, complemented by large bumpers, bulging fenders, and a big grille. The 2015 Tacoma starts the adventure with available 4WD, an electronically controlled transfer case, stability control sensors and available Goodrich off-road tires to deliver maximum traction. Whether it is for work or play, the Tacoma can handle all you throw at it in a more manageable form than a full-size pickup. Offered in 3-cab, regular cab fits up to 3 people, the Access cab seats 4, and the double cab with large 4 doors and spacious interior for 5. Each cab size can be purchased as a rear-wheel drive, or with 4-demand part-time 4WD that can switch from 2WD to 4WD and back even while the vehicle is in motion. Each drivetrain is available with an automatic or a manual transmission. The exception is the double cab 4X2S, which are automatics only. All regular cab trims are powered by 2.7-liter, 159 horsepower, 4-cylinder engine. The Access cab and double cabs add an optional 4.0-liter, 236 horsepower V6, exclusive to certain trims. Its fiber-reinforced composite bed has better impact strength than steel. Everywhere you look, you'll find thoughtful additions like rails, rings and compartments that make loading-unloading super easy. The interior has a modern urban feel, with controls and instruments that are easy to see in use. Sit inside and appreciate its intuitive feel, that is easy to maintain and comfortable as well. Offered with 4 levels of in-tune audio, which uses compatible smartphones to provide access to information, entertainment and navigation.